I think that we can't end this session without saying that having 11 inpatient detox beds for 32 boroughs of London is insufficient. So we can talk all day long about, everything else, but if there's nowhere to provide inpatient detoxes for people who are really unwell, 11 beds, we host them, but it is not enough for London.
Completely agree.
Yes, no, absolutely.
Half our clients don't go anywhere near hospital, so they get that, but they're at the tip of, and there's the layers underneath. So and you're talking about brief screening, identifying issues earlier, so it's the integration into the community teams to identify that so they don't need to go to hospital. And that's like a bit hit and miss as well, I think, about there's too much pressure on hospitals, do you know? So that's the part of it.
I'm very much of the opinion that we should be, as we described earlier, early identification, timely intervention in the community, so we prevent that progression of physical health illness and just improve the general well-being of these patients.
Would it be helpful to look at a complete, pathway from early identification to the really, complex cases, including, hospital admissions, and then obviously you will have different, you have to segment that pathway with individual providers who actually, at any particular type of that pathway, will be the key for, the key part of that intervention.
So many years in substance misuse to have a pan-London approach. To go to borough-specific it wouldn't be a good. People don't stay in one borough, even in terms of if we think about where we live and where we go to, we don't stay in one borough. So I think it's really important that it is a pan-London thing for me,